Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to find all shared photos in a community on the Telegram app for PC, following the new update. Whether you're looking for old pictures, group memories, or important visuals, this quick tutorial will help you locate everything with ease. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that the app is updated to the latest version. The new interface makes it easier than ever to access shared media and communities. Once you're in, find the community you want to explore. Communities appear in the chat list on the left side of your screen. You can scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you need. When you've located the community, click on it to open the conversation window. Next, look toward the top of the chat window and click on the community's name. This will open the information panel where all the details about that community are stored. You'll see things like the community description, member count, settings, and most importantly, the media tabs. Inside the info panel, you'll notice several categories such as media, files, links, and music. To access the shared photos, click on the Photos section. Telegram automatically organizes all the pictures that have ever been shared in that community, whether they were sent by you or other members. Here, you can scroll through all shared images, view them in full size, download them, or even forward them to other chats. It's also possible to filter or sort the photos using the updated layout if your community is very active and there are lots of images. This new update makes browsing media content faster, smoother, and more organized, saving you time and helping you keep track of your favorite visual moments. And that's it! You now know how to easily find all the shared photos in any community on Telegram using the PC app. Take a minute to try it out and explore the memories shared in your favorite Telegram communities.